Hi, Mr. Davidson. This is Doug and your tech Shane at Harley Davidson in San Jose. We found the problem with your intermittent wiring. It's this wire right here. It was shorted, and it sits behind there. And as you turn, it would very gently hit that frame, causing a short. So we had the driving lights on and would move it, and sure enough, the driving lights would go off. So we found it. We're excited about that. We got those pipes special order for you, and we'll give you a call soon. We'll have it back together so you can at least ride it as of Monday, because we got quite a lot of this apart right now. So we'll keep you updated. Have a great weekend. Take care.